Hi everyone, Ralph from Benchdog here. So, I want to introduce you to a new system that we've got on our website. We've been doing some upgrading to the website where you can now build your Ultra MFT complete table. And it's called the MFT Table Builder. Now, the reason for this video is I want to walk you through how it works, because there's a lot more detail in it than we would just expect you to know. When you come to our website and then you look for the product Ultra MFT Table Builder, you will come along and see this calculator here. Now, what we've done is come up with a very intuitive system and has a lot of options for you to choose. Now, if you want to go in and read our description, you can see here the description here, and it will explain what it is, how we've gone about it, and the study we've done in regards to the biggest problem with tables is the sagging of tops that don't have enough support through it. So we've introduced that into the whole system here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through it. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So when you come to the site, you will see here finished frame size. Now here is where you will input all of the details that you want regarding your top, starting with the size. Now I want to make a table for my mitre station, and this is for a Capex 60, and I want to make it fit into a certain area that I've got. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that measurement in, and I want 1950 by 470 mil. So that registers all of that size. Now you can see down in the next stage, number 2, it says mid supports, and it says that we can put in mid supports for you, but what we've done is, as I mentioned before, we've done a study on the sagging of tables, and we've worked out a sort of way to add this in. So for instance, if I put in 2050, you can see here that it's saying that I need 2 supports to stop the table from sagging because of the length of the table. Now you can see here the width. Now if I go up and put in 800, it will still add that in, and it will add the sections that you need. Now if I choose that I don't want to add the mid supports, you can just untick them, but we do give a warning basically saying that it's recommended that you have the supports. So I can tick them back in, no problem at all. But for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that back up to 1950 by 470. Okay, so now corner connections. Now you can choose to have, and by default are corner blocks, and as you can see, these corner blocks here are what connects the whole system together. But once again, you don't need to have those. And what that actually does is when it goes, then the order goes through and the calculation works, this at the moment automatically deducts 80 mil from the length of this extrusion here. Now if I take that out, what that does now, it says you have to figure out how you're going to connect them together. But what we will do is supply it at the 1950, not 80 mil short from the original once you have the corner box in. So this is all done automatically. We do state here that you need a TX50 driver or driver bit, and the reach needs to be at least 50 mil to get into the holes on the tops here. You can also choose the machined slots. So as you can see, once again from here, we have our clamp system and our T-nut slots here, but you don't have to have them on all the tables. Now, when I come to do my Capex system, I only want it on one length. So I'm going to choose just on one side of the extrusions. So once I've got that, I can then choose the type of top that I want. So you click on here, MFT top required, and it automatically takes the measurements from what you've keyed in up here. So there's no mismatch in sizes or any chance that you could get it wrong. So once you've chosen that, it then gives you the options for the type of material that you want, the media. So you've got a choice of Medite MR or black Fibralux MR. And you can find the data sheets here for all the products as well. So as you can see here is for the Medite. And if you click on here, it brings up the one for the Fibralux. So you can make sure that the product is suitable for the application that you want it to work for in the area. So once you've chose that, I'm going to have Medite, and I just want to have standard holes because I'm not going to put a hinge on it or a fence. You can see I'm just on here. But if you are making a table where you want quad holes and fence holes, you can click here and the system will add those in, and there's a nominal charge for adding those holes for the additional time. So once you've chosen your table, you can choose how you want it delivered. Now, if you're going to have it delivered, if it's over a certain size, it will add this part here to join the kit, to join the boards. So we will split it to allow it to be shipped. Now, if you want to collect, you can click on that, and you've got a choice there of in one piece. So it will be made at that size here, in one piece. Or if you've got a large top but you don't have a big van, you can also choose to have it split with the joining kit, and it adds on the kit according to your requirements. Now you can also choose to have a cutting strip, and we charge £15 for that. That also includes a cutting strip. So once you click on that, you can then choose whether you want it in the middle of the table or in the 2/3 of the table position. This way you would have a longer for your media and a shorter for your wayside cut or your narrow cuts, or in the middle, which is either, depending on the size of the table and how you want it. So I don't want a cutting strip, so I can take that out, and I want it in one piece. So you can see here, I'm going to collect it, and it's £92.49 for that top. Okay. Now if you look down the bottom here, you can see that it's got the frame here, the price. It's also got the top price and a combined price. What it also does, it also tells you the weight of the actual table. So your table would be 23.37 kilos at the moment. But you also have an option in this system now to choose a base. So as you can see up here, we now do a static style base where you can choose the size, the floor fixing, sorry. So it would either be castors or feet. And the system knows that if you choose the feet, it knows how long to cut the legs. If you choose the wheels, it also amends that as well. So if I choose on the base here, you can see once again it's kept the size, but here you can choose how high you want the table to be. Now our workstation is 900mm. A lot of workstations are. Some are shorter, but for this case I want it a certain height to fit into a certain area with a certain working height for me. So that's where I want 1 meter and 10 centimeters, 1 meter and 10 millimeters. And here is where you choose the castors or the feet. Now, when you choose these in the back end, this automatically adjusts the information that we need to make the frame up. And here you can put in some order notes. So, but if you're looking for anything specific, it may be best to email us first to make sure it can be done before putting that in, because not everything can be done what people request. And where we say in here, special requests are checked but not always guaranteed. So it's always best to double check to make sure that what you want to do can be done and then if not, you're not left disappointed by not filling in this box here. So there you go. So what you can do is custom frame the MFT top, the made to measure base, and a combined price. So when you've come to click to buy that, you add it to your cart. Okay, what it will do, it will put in 3 items. One will be the table base, one will be the top, and one will be the frame itself. And once again, all with the pricing all there. This price obviously doesn't include shipping. Obviously, depending on where you are in the country or in the world, we have to work that out. So the pricing will be different no matter what. Now, if you're collecting, you will say on there that you're collecting, and there'll be no additional charges on top of that. We will make it, we will package it all up, and then you will receive the record, the documentation that you need to build the table. So with all that, you can see that it's a very intuitive system. Now, what if you've already got the frame and you've already bought that frame from us before? Then you can personally go in and then just order a top on its own. You don't need to go through that whole system again. And then you can see the top is here. Once again, you can put in your measurements here. I want 470 there. I want Medite, standard holes, delivery. Well, in my case, it would be collection, one piece. It will have those holes on it automatically when you buy it with a system, because it automatically knows. But if you're buying it as a top only, you can choose to whether you have them. There's no additional charge for those, so you can just add them if you need to. And as you can see here, it gives the price of the top. You can also do the frame builder. Once again, you can go through the frame builder, key in all the information that you need here, and once again, if it needs mid supports, it will automatically add them there. It will follow the same situation as what we had before, and you can choose an MFT top to go with that as well by clicking on that and then following the same instructions as I've gone through previously. So once again, then you can add it to the cart. What we've also got on the system is you may want to build your own top or get it CNC'd locally to where you are. So we offer a design service. So once again, you can put in your measurements, you can put in your holes that you want, you can add a cutting strip, and then when you purchase that, that will be emailed to you. That is a reasonable price of £12 for that service. So there you have it. There's our system. I hope you like it, and I hope you have great success in choosing the one that you want, and hopefully we'll see an order from you soon. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. Cheers. Bye.